Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi, where I deal with everything to do with motherhood. I'm a mom of 2 kids. Makeup, I used to be a self-taught makeup artist. I am a costume designer, style, I love to dress up. I actually won a style award a few years ago. So come along with me on life's journey where I show you my hectic, crazy life. Stop flirting!
Oh, wonderful.
To do an unboxing and a review of the Baby Trend Deluxe 2-in-1 Highchair. Now this is available right here in Jamaica at Baby Bop in the Plazas. Alright. Okay, so today I am going to assemble the Baby Trend Deluxe 2-in-1 Highchair, and this is available at Baby Bop. Now I'm really appreciative to Baby Bop because let me tell you, with the second child, I kept hearing, okay, the second child just kind of get the what left, and I'm like, that's not going to happen to me. I got my princess, my beautiful baby girl. She's going to get everything pink, and that hasn't really been the case. But anyway, I'm really happy to Baby Bop for giving me this high chair so I can test it out, and it hasn't been too bad. So assembling it was a challenge simply because I did not read the manual. If I read the manual, I would have assembled this in like a minute, because honestly, the pieces, there's mainly 3 components. You have the tray, and on top of the tray is the insert. And to me, I love that because when Remi is eating and she makes a mess, I can just take the insert out. I can wheel her over to the sink because it has wheels and keep an eye on her. So the other components are the seat and base, and the upper frame and the legs. So what's that, like 4? So it's not a lot of pieces. Pretty easy to put together, just as long as you know your right from your left, which I have a problem with that, and reading the instructions. So the only tool I needed for the assembly was a pair of scissors, just to cut off all of the tags and open all of the bags. What I would recommend highly is any product that you have, you need to register your product. When you register your product, you get emails about that product in case there's any recalls. And if something goes wrong with your product, you can email the company. And in some cases, I've had really good experiences. I would either get a free replacement or a discount on a replacement. I register everything I've bought, especially if I pay over $50 for it, I'm definitely registering it. All right, so what's great about this high chair is it has 6 adjustable height positions. And I love that my kids are at the table with me. So when there's family dinner time, everybody is at the table. So I can pull Remi right up to the table with me because there's 6 height positions. Boy, let me tell you something. The wheels. I don't know who likes the wheels more, Levi or Remi, because honestly, what happens is Levi pushes her around the house and she loves it. It's like a ride. Okay, here's me trying to figure out what's going on again because, yep, I've read this wrong. I'm pretending to read. I'm touching things and I don't know. Yeah, but I didn't read a while ago. I was, not reading. Okay. Also, the seat position, it has 3 recline positions. So your baby can sit right up to eat, because sometimes, you just want your baby to sit right up and eat. Then, you can recline a little bit. Suppose, baby needs to take a little nap because, the pumpkin was too good. What else? Then, the wheels can lock, which is great. I'm here still trying to assemble this high chair. You'd think it was like rocket science. It really isn't. You just have to read the instructions. And I keep pretending that I'm reading every now and then. Anyway, this high chair folds away for storage. So, you know, it's a great price. So if it is that you're buying for your grandchild visiting, or, you know, a friend that has a baby, you know, maybe you own a guest house or something, this high chair actually folds away. I have never folded it up because Remi's always in it. All in all, it's a great quality. It's a great quality and it's pretty sturdy. As I said, it pulls up to the family table and it has a 5-point harness. Now what that means is that she cannot wriggle out of the chair, which is great. The seat liner is great because it's kind of like that plasticky material, so you can wipe it off. Because let me tell you something, when you start serve pumpkin and all of them foods that have color, oh my goodness, it is a whole mess. It comes out pretty easy. It does go in the dishwasher or in the washing machine, or you could just wipe it off, or you could hand wash it and hang it on the line. It wipes off pretty easily. What else? Here I am pretending to read again, and I'm not reading a thing because I should have been finished by now. So what I usually do is when I have quote unquote extra parts is I'll put them in a Ziploc bag, sometimes with the manual, depending on what kind of item it is and how hard it was to assemble, like this. I'll put the things in a Ziploc bag and just kind of stick them underneath the chair, that in case I'm like, oh, hold on, this was where that screw went. I still have the screw. Another great tip for this high chair, or any high chair, is get one of those 3M hooks. Clean the back of the high chair. As you can see here, I'm just cleaning it off with my handy dandy hand. And stick the hook. You can hang your bib back there to dry. And when it's feeding time, your bib is ready to go. Or if, you know, Remi, she likes to tear her bib off and then fling it away, I have one right on the back of the chair ready to go. So yeah, that's a great tip. Hang one of those 3M hooks on the back. And yep, I'm still assembling because I did not read. I'm still pretending to read. Oh my gosh, my eyeliner is popping though. Yeah, I look good when I'm reading, quote unquote reading. Yeah, okay. Well, good luck to me. It's assembled and it's assembled properly, so, you know. Whew, alrighty. You know, I need to upload a video of Levi wheeling Remi around the house. I call this Remi's throne. This is not a high chair, this is a throne. Thanks again, Baby Bop. And guys, you can check out Baby Bop in the plazas. They have a wide selection of baby items and they have different high chairs, but ask for this one because this one is really cool. I really like this high chair. This again is the Baby Trend Deluxe 2-in-1 high chair unboxing and assembly.